Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you the classification of elements. That is, everyone know that element is classified as three types such as metal, non-metal and metalloid. On this video, I generally discuss about metal and its property, non-metal and its property, metalloid and its properties. So basically elements is classified as three types. First is metal, second is non-metal, third is metalloid. See, these elements classify as three types such as metal, non-metal and metalloid. First of all, see what is metal and what are the characteristics. Okay, let's start. What is metal? See the screen. What is metal? Generally, the substance which has show the properties like malleability, ductility, good conductor of heat and electricity, sonority. So these substances are called metal. Okay. So some characteristic of metal are, see the screen. The first character is metal are solid in room temperature. Generally, all the metal are solid in the room temperature, but few exception, that is mercury and gallium. Mainly we see that mercury in our daily life, gallium not seen in our daily life. So exception, mercury is a metal which is liquid at room temperature. Okay. In that way, the second property is, that is metal have shining surface. This property known as luster. Okay. Metal are lustrous in nature. The shining nature of metal are called as lustrous in nature. Okay. All of the most of the metal are shiny but lustrous in nature. So the second property is lustrous in nature. The third property is they are silvery, grey or golden. Most of the most of the metal are silvery or grey or golden in color or yellow in color. See this, most of the metal are silvery, grey, golden and golden yellow in color. Okay. Going to next property, that is property number 4. They are good conductor of heat and electricity. Yes, the metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. Okay, metals are good conductor of heat and electricity because the electricity pass through the metal are very easy. Okay, going to next. The next property is they are generally quite hard. Yes, most of the all metal are hard in nature. They are generally quite hard in nature. Okay, exception, metal like sodium and potassium are generally soft in nature, but soft metal like sodium and potassium are soft metal. Okay, going to next property, they are ductile. That means, what do you mean by ductile? Very important property, ductility. Metals show the properties of ductility. They can be drawn into long wire without breaking and without losing their character. Yes, most of the metal, all of the metal are can be drawn into long wire without breaking or without losing its character. See this? This is the very important property, ductility. But draw in thin wire without losing its character. Okay, very important. See the screen. Okay. So metals show the property of ductility. Okay. Going to next property, that is metals malleability. What do you mean by malleability? Now the extensible or deformable in all dimension without losing character and hammering. What do you mean by, in simple language we can see that metals can draw in thin plain sheet. Very plain sheet can be drawn with the help of metal. So this property is called as malleability. Going to next property, that is they are sonorous in nature. Make a ring sound when it hits. Sonorous means sono means this come from the word sound. That property is they are sonorous, that is make a ring sound when it's heated. Okay, they have high melting and boiling point. In the next property, due to hard and solid nature of metal, they have high melting and boiling point of metals. Okay, Example, exception, gallium is melt like around 25 degrees Celsius, but all of the metal are very high melting and boiling points. Okay. Next example of metals in your place: gold, silver, copper, iron, sodium, potassium, magnesium, aluminum, calcium, iron, scandium. लगभग maximum more than 30-40 metal are present in our earth surface. Okay. Going to next, that is non-metal and its characteristic. Generally, non-metal, those substances which do not show the properties like malleability, ductility, sonority, good conduct of heat and electricity, luxurious or high melting point. Those substances which do not show, those substances cannot show this property. This is called non-metal. Okay, this is called non-metal. See this, what are the character non-metal? Now these are either gases or solids or liquid in the room temperature. Most of the found in gaseous state, but few in liquid state and few also in solid state. Exception, the bromine is a liquid nonmetal present in the room temperature. Okay. Second property, they are lustrous. They are non-lustrous. Sorry, they are non-lustrous nature because nonmetals are gaseous nature. They cannot see in our naked eye, or few element carbon and silicon are present which are non-lustrous nature. Exception, crystal of iodine. Iodine have bright lustrous nature. Okay, crystal, iodine crystal can be lustrous nature. Exception of this property. Going to next property, that is non-metal can mostly poor conductor of heat and electricity. Yes, this can be maximum gaseous in nature. So these are poor conductor of heat and electricity. Okay, very important point. Look at this. Exception, graphite is a good conductor of heat and electricity. Okay. Going to next. Most non-metal are quite soft and lower density than metal. Yes, due to maximum are gaseous and few are liquid substance. So most of the non-metal are quite soft and lower density than metal. Exception, the diamond is a very hard substance in probability of hardness of substance. Yes, diamond is the form of carbon, bilateral carbon, which is a non-metal. So it is quite hard and very hard in nature. Going to next. Non-metal are non-malleability, non-ductility and non-sonorous. That is, they cannot be drawn into thin wire, they cannot drawn into plain sheet, they cannot in luxurious nature, that cannot be produce any sound when it heated. So this point is very important. Non-metals are non-malleability, non-ductility and non-sonorous. That means they cannot be drawn into thin wire, they cannot be drawn into plain sheet, they cannot produce sound, any heat, any beaten by it. Okay. Going to next property, that is when a compared to metal, non-metal have lower melting point and boiling point. Yes, exception diamond. Diamond is a hard substance which has very hard, very high melting point, boiling point. All of the other non-metal are very low melting point and boiling point. See this point. Next properties, example of non-metal are all the gases such as hydrogen, nitrogen, carbon. Carbon is solid. Gaseous is hydrogen, nitrogen, chlorine are gaseous non-metal. Solid non-metal, iodine, carbon, phosphorus, sulfur, these are solid non-metal. Okay. Find lastly, what is metalloids? Now the substance which exhibit properties of both metal and non-metal are called metalloids. Example, so these example, germanium, arsenic, antimony, tellurium, selenium are the example of metalloids. Very carefully see this, what is metalloid, and write this example. See this, I discuss this foundation series. In this foundation part, I will tell you what is metal, what are the properties of metal, what is non-metal, what are the properties of non-metal, what is metalloids, and give example of metalloids. So I hope this video helpful for your improve your foundation practice course or foundation syringe and chemistry for your upcoming Olympiad, NIT, NEET, JEE entrance. So this video helpful very much in your foundation chemistry course. Okay, so I hope support very much for this channel and share your friends, share your social media circles. Thank you for watching. In that way I regularly upload this video, so please follow and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.